Good morning and welcome to Sunrise on Sunrise Tech Talk, which is what I assume is a vlog, and where I'm going to talk to you and or complain to you about tech. I'm going to keep it fairly simple. I'm really going to try to make it so that this is for the average person. Like, you could listen to this video if you're not too tech savvy and kind of have an idea of what's going on, what I'm complaining about. To be educational. I couldn't have chose a worse day to start this because not only is it raining, but it's not even raining any good. It's kind of just like light sprinkles, like, I don't know, at least give me a monsoon. But I'm doing this in part because I should be more active on social media, and I figure this is a great way to do that because I feel like it's also a great way to be more engaging with our customers and our community. To get straight into it, today I'm going to complain about Wi-Fi because 2025 is in like a week. No building or property or your own home should have Wi-Fi dead zones, and I feel like they're more common than they should be, even though they shouldn't have had that for years now. A basic quick summary of how Wi-Fi works. You have your personal device, your cell phone, your laptop, that will connect to your wireless access point. That's your network device that gives off the Wi-Fi. From there, it connects to a switch, which basically connects multiple devices together. And from there, it goes into your router, which is probably what you've heard of. That will talk to all the devices on your network and communicate with the internet. These days, we have all-in-one routers, where the wireless, the switch, and the router is built into each other. From there, it goes into your modem, which will convert the signal to work with fiber optic or coax, and a lot of those these days have all-in-one routers built into it, so now you have one device for everything basically. The thing is, even with new and powerful wireless, sometimes one wireless access point isn't enough. Typically you put it in the middle of the property or the building and it gives you fairly even coverage. When that's not enough, you can get a second wireless access point, and you can put the two of them in opposite corners. You know, front left corner of the basement, back right corner of the second floor, and they'll both have a central point that they cover. Now, the reason why I say wireless access point and not router is because it technically is different, and if you set it up the right way as an access point, you could give both of your Wi-Fis, if you will, the same name and password. What that does is your devices will actually automatically switch between the two. It'll switch to whatever one has the best connection, the best signal strength, seamlessly. You don't have to sign into second Wi-Fi on your computer or anything like that. It'll just automatically do it in the background without you even noticing, because when infrastructure works good, you don't notice it. Now, you might be thinking of something like a Wi-Fi booster. What that will do is that will connect to your main Wi-Fi and rebroadcast it. The problem with those is that the Wi-Fi has to be good already where it is. So like, you can't put it in a dead zone. You have to put it halfway to a dead zone and hope it works. With this, you do have to run a cable for it, and you have to do that professionally. Don't drape cables across the ceiling like some internet providers do, but you professionally install a cable, you run it between the two, and what that does is your second access point virtually works just as good as your first one. It's like being connected to the first one. And the equipment itself isn't even expensive. I mean, as far as homeowner equipment, the most reliable thing that I've used is probably TP-Link, unless you're going to count Cisco. And those are like $60 or $80 for what I consider a really good one. I've probably installed hundreds and I haven't had any go bad yet. But with the right equipment, you know, your Wi-Fi doesn't have to be bad. And obviously I bring this up because this is a service that we provide. You know, we'll set things up like this. Feel free to reach out to us. You can leave a comment in the video and we'll get back to you, or even if you call us, you know, we'll answer some basic questions and provide a little bit of advice without charge. But if you wanted us to come out and take care of your Wi-Fi issue, give you good coverage, that's something we do. Like I said, 2025 is in just a few days. There's no reason to have bad Wi-Fi coverage anywhere at this point. or even cell coverage on your own property. That's a whole nother video, but there's boosters for that as well that are hardwired or run off of Wi-Fi. But anyway, please feel free to leave us feedback. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna kind of see how this goes and, you know, make a couple videos. If it goes good, I'll keep making them. You know, never be afraid to learn something new. Have a great day, and I look forward to the next one.